In a number of cases, police failed to adhere to the basic tenets of any form of criminal investigation. They failed to undertake adequate follow-up inquiries and pursue positive lines of inquiry, and in that respect they breached police policy, which requires that all reports of child abuse must be thoroughly investigated, even if the child or young person withdraws a complaint or parents and caregivers are reluctant to continue. The authority has determined that the failure to undertake basic investigation tasks resulted in a lack of sound, evidence-based decision-making in each case. There was also a lack of adequate record keeping and assessment of evidence during the investigations. Details of alleged offenders were not correctly recorded in the police computer system. Moreover, police did not check whether the young men involved had been involved in previous incidents. As a result, the pattern of behaviour that was evident from the various complaints and reports was not recognised, or its significance not adequately considered until a later stage. And finally, the authority found that the investigating officers failed to properly consider alternative action and take steps to address care and protection issues and potential offending behaviours of the young men involved. Only one of the young men was ever the subject of a referral to Child, Youth and Family. In one case, initial suspect interviews were held with the young men, but there was no further contact after that. In other cases, officers did not speak to the young men or their parents during or at the conclusion of the investigation. In the authority's view, many of these issues arose because investigating officers tended to approach each case on an individual case-by-case basis and saw their task as determining whether there was sufficient evidence to prosecute the alleged offences for sexual violation. They did not have a prevention focus in mind and did not consider whether either a lesser charge or some other response was required.